So there is a new command in Codex, the goal command. It has a lot of potential, but using it wrong may consume your whole token usage. So let's dive into it. The goals command is still under development, so if you want to enable it, you need to run this command. Codex features enable goals. You can also add the goals feature manually by going to the Codex folder. I have it inside my root directory. After that, edit the config.toml file. Here you need to add this attribute goals true. After you add this feature, start a new Codex session. And now you'll see that you have a new feature under development, which is goals, and you will see the goals command. But before we see a demo, we need to understand when we should use the new goal command. By the way, I forgot to introduce myself. I help developers turn AI into real workflows, so sub and like, it really helps me provide more value for you. So with the goal command, you can set a goal for a long-running task. But you're probably wondering, why not to use the goal command for every prompt? And that's why. The goal command is relevant only for complex tasks, when you don't have a clear plan for execution. In addition, using the goal command is only in cases we can define success. For example, the test should be passed, the failed command should be running, or the app should be running. Don't use the goal command for prompts like create a professional design. We need a clear success path. But how does the goal command work? We define a task, and after that the LLM will try to do a lot of iterations until our success definition is met. And only when the success definition is met, it will stop its execution. It means that a single execution can run for hours and we don't know how long it takes. Before we execute a prompt with this command, we need to be aware that it can consume a lot of tokens and we need to supervise it when it's running, so Codex won't dive into hallucination loop. If it sounds familiar to you, the goal command is the rough loop for Codex. It's their version for this concept. So after you understand how this command works and why it can consume a lot of tokens, we can pick the right task for this command. As I mentioned, using it for refactors is great, so let's write the following example. /goal, change the front-end code to use vanilla JavaScript instead of React. Now we need to add the definition of success, so I'll add the success definition is when the tests are running. I'll go with the medium reasoning level because I think it's enough, it's a simple project. And that's it, now we can execute this prompt. /goal is just one command of Codex CLI. Mastering these commands is the key for better results. Luckily, I created this video for you.